everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have my Not Sock Box by Southern Skeins. So let's open it up and take a look what's inside. Yep, I haven't even opened it yet, so let's take a look. Okay, so here we go. Make sure that's everything. And it is. I don't know, but it smells good. So it comes in a bag. And here's the bag. I think this is for the month of June. And here's the bag. I just got it today. And let me pull out some of the stuff in here. Make sure that's everything. Oh, I think that's everything. Okay. So let's go over what's in here. So the first thing I see, and that's probably what I'm smelling because it smells like lavender. This is the first thing I see right here. It's Aroma Bliss Apothecary Lavender Hand Poured for Southern Skeins Natural Soy Wax Essential Oils. Oh. It's a candle. And it does smell good. That's what the package smells like, is this lavender. And then we also got a little packet. And in here is a stash tea of chamomile, which I love. And we always get a Eucalyptus wash. This one is in eucalyptus. And they always give us one of these, which I love these. I want to order a bunch for myself. These are for hand lotions. They're great to stick in your bag. This one is yuzu. And on the other side are some of the fruity Starlight Mints. And then there is a stitch marker, and it is really pretty. Wait for it to look at that. That's really pretty. Okay. And what else in here? That is really pretty. Oh, they gave us a little pattern on a card for stockinette stitch triangles, and that's right here, and the pattern's on the back, and a swatch it card, which is really great. So we got a swatch it card, and it's got a gauge at the bottom, so that's nice. Yep, there's our Not Sock Box card, and it tells us about it. Yay, and the yarn is next. We do get a free pattern, and we have to go to the website for it. And I always get 2 skeins, and here is the lovely yarn by Southern Skeins. And look at that, isn't it fabulous? Loving this, and here's what it is. Oh. Helps to hold it upside right to you, doesn't it? This is called Strawberry Fields in Southern DK, 100 grams. It is a 245 yards. It's 75% superwash merino and 25% nylon. And there's 245 yards. So I have 500. Let's see if I can count again. I have 490 yards of a DK weight, and look at how gorgeous that. I love that. That is beautiful. So that is gorgeous. So in June's 2022 Not Sock Box, I got 2 hanks of Strawberry Fields on DK weight yarn. I got the gorgeous bag. You can see the detailing on that. So there's the hanks in the bag. I'm gonna put them back in there. Here we go. I got the lovely stitch marker, stash tee, the Euclid wash, the hand lotion, the 2 Starlight Mints, and the lavender candle, which smells divine, along with the stash card and a pattern on the website. So all in all, I think that was a really good box from Not Sock Box. So I hope you enjoyed that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.